Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay, and today we'll be repairing this Saima M4 A1. I think this is a version 1 or version 2 because it's still nylon gears and still using the old connector. Of course, if you're going to test, always use a fuse or else you might add more problems. And then, we try. Oops. See? Oh, nothing. Oh, that one. And, when you hear that, there's only two things. It's either the gears are disconnected or the gears are dead. So let's see. Careful not to lose. There's no spacer. Took a little spacer for that one. Then. Yay! Oh, the spacer is there. And you know what happened in this one? The customer used an 11.1 battery on nylon gears. So this is to be expected. So again, I'm just going to disassemble this one, and luckily we have ordered the nylon gears, the metal gears, and as usual, if you're going to replace the gears, you need to replace the tappet. This is the new on Lazada, the reinforced tappet. Let's hope that this is stronger than the usual. Anywho, let's get into it. Ching! Okay, so I've done the shimming. Oops! Shimming, new piston body. I actually changed the cylinder one to a slightly type 1, so it will have better FPS, no more over ratio. The old ones, and it's more or less it. Oh, I also removed the piston body because if you have a metal gears and you're going to use 11.1, it will eat the nylon teeth. Actually, the nylon teeth is already slightly damaged. So if I use the metal gears on this one, this will get damaged more and it will not last that long. So this is for the gearbox. Now I'm going to assemble this one and connect the motor to try if my shimming is correct. Be right back. Okay, so finally assembled, lower, spring. I made a mistake earlier. The ARL was wrong. It was doing worse. Now, it's better. So, let's put it in semi. Very nice. It's 18 amps. This is the heavy spring. I don't know what the customer used. Full auto. 10 amps. Finally. It's more or less it. It's finally working. Just going to reassemble this and do some fire test. That's more or less it. I hope you learned something. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below. And if you are interested in parts, it is available in my website, www.jomarx.com, and that helps me a lot, especially in these trying times. I need money to buy units. Anywho, hanggang sa muli, paalam!